The number of fatalities from collisions with animals have steadily trended upward over the last 15 years. And listen to this, 164 people killed in animal collision accidents in 2021, with the highest number of deaths occurring from October to December. So here's the top 10 states with the most animal collisions. Hey guys, Tia at Trailstone Insurance here, and today we're talking about a February 2024 report of the states with the most collisions with the latest data from 2022. But before we jump into the states with the worst animal collisions, let's talk about some recommendations to best avoid an animal collision. First, slow down if you see an animal close to the road. Second, stay alert anytime you're driving, but especially between dusk and dawn. Third, pay attention to deer crossing and other wildlife signs. Fourth, reduce any distractions you might have while driving. Fifth, use your brakes as needed to avoid hitting an animal, but you can also honk your horn and tap your brakes to warn other approaching drivers of the animal too. Number 6, don't swerve to avoid the animal. If a collision is inevitable, keep your vehicle under control and on the road. Number 7, flash your high beams at wildlife you encounter to encourage them to scamper away from the road. Number 8, be aware of peak seasons for animal collisions, especially when it comes to deer. Crashes with deer happen most often during hunting and mating season, which is from October through December. 9, keep an eye out for herds of deer. Chances are, if you see one, there's more nearby that could enter your path. Okay, you've been waiting for it. Here's the 10 worst states for collisions with animals. Number 10, Missouri with an animal collision likelihood of 1 in 80. Virginia, 1 in 78. South Dakota, 1 in 69. Mississippi, 1 in 64. Iowa, 1 in 63. Wisconsin, 1 in 60.1. Michigan, 1 in 60. Number 3, Pennsylvania, 1 in 59. Number 2, Montana, 1 in 53. And the worst state for the likelihood of an animal collision, number 1 is West Virginia with an animal collision likelihood of 1 in 38. So how did your state stack up? Remember, if you're paying too much for your insurance, please reach out to us here at Trailstone Insurance Group. We shop your insurance with more than 40 top-rated insurance companies, meaning we'll find you the best price and coverage options. Talk soon.